If you're experiencing controller drift in Baldur's Gate 3, follow these steps to configure and resolve the issue. This guide will help you adjust settings for a smoother gaming experience. Step 1. Check controller settings. Navigate to the game's main menu and select the Options or Settings tab. Look for the controller settings to ensure your controller is recognized and properly configured. Step 2. Adjust dead zone settings. In the controller settings, locate the dead zone configuration. Increase the dead zone value slightly to reduce sensitivity and minimize drift. Test the changes to see if the drift is less noticeable. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Ensure your controller firmware is up to date. Check the manufacturer's website or the console settings for any available updates. Updating can fix bugs that contribute to drift issues. Step 4. Calibrate your controller. Use the calibration tool available in your system settings. Follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate your controller, which can help correct any misalignment causing drift. Step 5. Test in game. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and test the controller in game. Move around and check if the drift persists. If the issue remains, consider trying a different controller or connecting via a wired connection. By following these steps, you should be able to configure your controller settings effectively and reduce or eliminate drift while playing Baldur's Gate 3. Enjoy your gaming experience.